Everybody, Lunar Haunts here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So, this one is actually shortly after the Hugs one, which is pretty cool. And it came a couple days early, and my mom also let me open it early. She wasn't gonna let me open it till my birthday, which is on the 14th, but she decided to let me open it since my dad let me open mine that he got me. So yeah, let's get into this. So if you couldn't tell from the title, this is Burlap Horror. Yeah, so I'm very excited about this one. This is probably one of my favorites of the year, shockingly. And I'm not the first to get it because I did see David's TV got one, but I'm not sure if their video is out yet, so I could be the first for the unboxing video. Right, so there is the box. Let me move it a little bit over so you can see it better. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. I'm going to, again, put in pictures of this on my Instagram. So this box is bigger than I was expecting. I don't know, I was just expecting something smaller, and this is completely fine. Get to opening it up. So unlike Hugs, this one doesn't have tape on the top of it. But that's fine. Oh, I'm so excited for this guy, you guys don't even understand. So it looks like this is his shirt. Yeah. And it comes with his hands, which are latex. It's a pretty decent latex. It's not the thickest, but could be worse. Here is his pants. And then the apron. Here's his instructions, and I assume his story is in there, if it came with one. I believe it did. The adapter. And his shoes. His shoes are actually pretty good quality. It's a pretty good thick plastic, which I'm happy about. I've seen some prop shoes that have been kind of flimsy. Even the clown shoes, they're not the thickest plastic, but... Okay, and then here's the base that looks like it's got the poles and the hip loop attached. Before I show that part, here is the head. The head is really cool. I like this a lot. Oh wow. Yeah, that's awesome. So because it is latex, it does seem like I'll need to do a little bit of work to get the trim around it to stay in the position I want, but that is awesome. He's really cool looking. Okay, and that is all that is in his box. Oh, and I forgot to show this part. It is torso with the shoulder thing on it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set down the base, and then you're going to take the 4 poles that it comes with and attach those to the base. The next thing you're going to want to do is take the 2 shoes that it comes with and slide those over the poles. After that, you're going to take the pants that it comes with and put those over the poles with the shoes. Then you're going to want to take the torso part with the module connected to it and attach those to the leg poles. Then you're going to want to take the hip loop and slide that over and attach it to the 2 little notches in the hips. After that, you're going to pull up the pants and put them around the little hooks that the hip loop has on them, which is, I think, something new this year. Then you're going to take the shirt and put that over it and adjust it to how you like it. Then you're going to take the posable arms and attach those to the little cutouts that it has up in the shoulders to attach it to. Once you get the hands on, then you can take the head and attach the wires to the head. After you get the wires attached, then you can put the pegs into the cutouts on the top of it. The final thing you need to do is put on the apron, tie it around the back, and plug him in, and then he's all ready to go.